Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we are again trying some new paints. This is a new company I came across, MyArtScape. And I did a couple videos with some new brushes that I got from them, but at the same time I got these awesome acrylic paints. So we're going to try them out today. And first of all, once again, A+ for packaging. Like, their packaging is just gorgeous. Look at the little thank you card and everything. Super cool. So this is how they come. Very awesome. This is the black. So we've got all the basic colors here, and so today we're actually going to try some more earth toned colors than normal. So I'm going to do black, burnt umber, phthalo blue, titanium white, and then the yellow ochre. Very unusual colors for me. But, you know, I've been doing a lot of blue recently. So I do have everything all mixed up. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. I was also trying to decide what pour to do because I've been doing a lot of tree rings recently. So I think I'm going to do it as a ribbon pour, actually. And everything's mixed with floetrol and water, my usual kind of mixture. These seem to mix pretty nicely. And they're gorgeous, bright colors, which I really am excited about. I like never use brown, so that's going to be interesting. I thought about using the phthalo green or one of the greens, but with using the blue and the ochre, I'm going to get green also. So this way I'll get both the blue and the green. Okay, a little more of this, and then I think a little more white, and then we're good. And so far in the cup, it looks pretty awesome. Actually, you know what? I just changed my mind. We're going to do a flip cup. Sorry, guys. I'm excited. Okay. Good. Let's go ahead. We're going to let that sit there for a little bit. And then we'll come back and we'll pull it off and see what we've got. Okay, here we go. Ooh. All right. A+ for cell production. Oh my goodness. There is no silicone in here, guys, just to make that clear. Look at this. So cool. Oh my gosh. And I love that it's all earthy. And of course I do love that I do still have blue in there. But I got greens, I got everything. Okay. Let's go ahead and go here. Not too much black, just the right amount. Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, so great. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and let that sit for just a minute. I want to see if it changes, anything else develops, etc. Then we'll be right back for our close-up. Okay, we're back. Doesn't seem to be changing too much more other than just the kind of the paint moving around. But let's go ahead and do our close-up. So starting in the bottom right-hand corner, just tons of cells and also just really good lacing in here. This is the upper right-hand corner. Over here, got that yellow popping through. Love it. Look at this white lacing in there. Beautiful. And then down to the lower left-hand corner, looks like stones down there. I love these colors together. And I was a little worried about that brown. I probably could have used a little bit less, but I still think it's gorgeous. Okay, guys, so I highly recommend these paints. And also just seems to be an awesome company. I've only ordered once from them, to be honest, but just seems pretty awesome. So check them out if you'd like. If you want to try their paints, they have some amazing brushes as well. I'll put the link for their website down in the description. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.